to Cave City, Kentucky. We are looking for Callie Harold on the horse, Jasper.
Well, I'm enjoying watching Josh rushing over there. He must be on a new fitness program or something. All right, here we go, rolling again. Kentucky.
Doing a nice job getting through the weave pattern that we put there. All right, hopping over the first half. Oh, hold on, Cowboy. She stays put. Stand off the stop. Back up through that total weave, burn, turn, and burn sequence.
Woo, golly, Walter, that was wow, what a great turnaround right there. Now me fighting to stay in the saddle, not missing a lick right there. Oh, yeah. Again, she's facing away from the rock. I'm not sure if the judges call her to be facing toward the rock. That will be their call before the action comes at you very quickly. You got to really think on your feet in the heat of battle here in Extreme Cowboy Racing.
This is this cowgirl's second time here competing at the World, in only her second year. Nice job there on the rollback. Moving all the way through that high country, wasting no time making it right over here to her next obstacle. We're looking for one rotation each direction here as you're judging along with us in the stands. There's no hard requirement for how they change directions. They just got to get the job done. And Callie is doing a nice job here. Moving right on into her next row, obstacle, and do the free ride.
Oh, I tell you what, that's what you call cowboy racing right there, my friends. But with total control. Beautiful, beautiful work right there for that Kentucky cowboy. There's one. Big right turn. Got another jump. There's two in a lead change. All right, headed for home, sweet home. Boy, nicely done. Here comes the reverse.
All right, they're getting threaded through that difficult L back through, and they are going to dismount and stop the clock with a time of 2:33. 2:33 for Callie Harold, the Kentucky Cowgirl.